Hi, I think we're neighbors.
Yeah, I've seen you around.
I just moved here not long ago.
Oh, nice. Welcome.
Sorry, I'm a bit shy to talk.
No worries, I understand.
Do you live here long?
Yeah, a few years now.
I've been here 6 months.
Still quite new then.
Everything feels new to me.
That's totally normal.
I wanted to say hi earlier.
Glad you did today.
I was a bit nervous.
You're doing great.
Thanks, that helps a lot.
Anytime.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Life here is so quiet.
Yeah, it's pretty relaxed.
It's different from Vietnam.
I can. Imagine that.
People don't talk much here.
We're a bit reserved.
I was scared to say hi.
But you did it.
Yeah, finally.
That's a good step.
People seem very kind.
We tried to be.
I like the peaceful life.
It's the best part here.
The air is so fresh.
Yeah, nature is amazing.
I'm still getting used to it.
Take your time.
Thanks, I will.
You'll love it soon.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, not always.
I cook most of the time.
That's good.
I miss Vietnamese food.
I'd love to try it.
I can cook for you someday.
That sounds great.
Have you tried Asian food?
Yeah, I like it.
Food here is quite different.
Yeah, simple but nice.
Supermarkets are expensive.
True. Everything costs more.
I'm trying to save money.
Same here.
Do you work nearby?
Yeah, just around the corner.
That's convenient.
It really is.
You're easy to talk to.
Thanks. You too.
I feel more relaxed now.
I'm glad.
Maybe we can chat again.
Of course.
Maybe coffee sometime?
Sounds good.
Or barbecue?
Even better.
I'd love that.
Me too.
Thanks for being kind.
No problem at all.
I feel less lonely.
That's good to hear.
It means a lot.
Anytime.
Let's stay in touch.
Definitely.
I feel more at home now.
That's awesome.
I was scared before.
That's understandable.
Now I feel better.
I'm happy for you.
Talking really helps.
It really does.
Even small talks.
Exactly.
Thanks for today.
My pleasure.
Let's do this again.
Sure thing.
See you around.
See you.
I'm glad we met.
Me too.
This is a good start.
It really is.